What is conditional statements? Conditional statements are those statements in which execution of program statements depends upon condition test. Conditional statement in Python. Python has three types of conditional statements. Number one, if statement. In this statement, first condition is checked, and if the condition is true, then a set of statement is executed. And if the condition is false, then no statement is executed. Second one, if dash else statement. In this statement, first condition is checked, and if the condition is true, then a set of statement is executed. And if the condition is false, then another set of statement is executed. Overall, we can say that if condition is true, then a statement present under if condition will execute, and if the condition is false, then a statement present in else will be executed. Third one, if dash elif statement. This statement allows us to test number of condition in the program. The condition which is evaluated to true first, then a statement present on that condition will be executed. If no condition is evaluated to true, then a statement present on else will be executed. So dear student, we use this if dash elif statement. In such case, we have to write number of conditions in the program. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.